Welcome to Computer Code channel. Today's topic, rank function. Use the rank function to compare numbers to other numbers in the same list. The statement shows different sales executives' performance in sales achieved in different quarters in a year. Formula to calculate yearly total sales equals sum open bracket first number is to last number closed bracket. Here C4 is to F4 is the sales range. Press enter button. Get the first person's total sales. Drag down with free handle to get the total sales of different sales executives. Now the task is rank the sales executives based on the total sales. Use the rank function to achieve this task. Formula equals rank open bracket G4 comma G4 is to G18 closed bracket. Let's see the formula in detail. The number to rank is in G4. G4 is to G18 is the range of total sales. Here we are using relative reference. Order. Use 0 or leave empty to find the rank in the list in descending order. Get the rank of first sales executive. Drag down with free handle to get the rank of different sales executives in the list. Let's see the ranking order is correct or not. Keep the mouse on H5 cell. Double click on it. Just observe the formula. The range is G5 to G19. The range is shifted down. So you have to correct the formula. Use absolute reference instead of relative reference. Use dollar symbol. Formula equals rank open bracket G4 comma $G $4 is to $G $18 closed bracket. Order. Use 0 or leave empty to find the rank in the list in descending order. Drag down with free handle to get the other executives' rank. Get the other executives' rank. Descending order. Observe the ranking order. Manoj Kumar's rank is 1 because his total sales is 2951, which is the largest value. Kapil's rank is 15 because his total sales is 1735, 15th largest value. Ascending order formula equals rank open bracket G4 comma $G $4 is to $G $18 comma 1. Here 1 is used for ascending order. Press enter button. Get the rank of first sales executive. Drag down with free handle. Views the ranking order of all sales executives. Observe the ranking order. Ascending order. Manoj Kumar's rank is 15 because his total sales is 2951, 15th smallest value. Kapil's rank is 1 because his total sales is 1735, the smallest value. Hope you understood how to give ranking order. Like, share, subscribe. Computer Code channel. Click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.